Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for our future videos. Today we are going to do the Commission Hero review. The #1 Clickbank affiliate finally reveals his 3-step system that he used to create a thriving affiliate marketing business. Is it too good to be true? What is Commission Hero? Commission Hero is an online training system that shows you one of the best ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. For those of you who are new to affiliate marketing, it is where you sell other people's products, and if you refer people to buy, you earn 50 to 75% commission on the sale. The way you find products to sell it is through Clickbank, which is a marketplace that connects vendors of thousands of digital and physical products for affiliate marketers to sell for them.
Hey, what's up guys, Robbie Blanchard here, and did you know that I'm the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world? It's true. As a matter of fact, I just won the Clickbank affiliate contest in January, and I want to show you exactly how much I did in revenue. So let me pull up my Clickbank account right now. Let me just log in real quick. Okay, cool, here we go. So if you look at my snapshot in my Clickbank account, you're gonna see that I'm doing over $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per day on Clickbank using Facebook marketing. So if you think it's crazy and you think it's impossible, it's not true. I'm doing it each and every day right now. And I was just a struggling personal trainer who couldn't even pay for my groceries, and now I'm the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world with more freedom, more success to spend time with my friends and family. So if that sounds like something you'd like to have for yourself and for your life, click that link above and register for my free training, and I'll show you my 3-step system for making money with Clickbank offers. So register now, click that link, and I'll see you on the inside.
Personally, I think it is one of the best ways to build a profitable business online, since affiliate marketing is also one of the ways I use. I have been in the online business world for 10 years, and I have never seen a system that makes affiliate marketing this simple for anyone to learn.
Hey, what's up guys, Robbie Blanchard here, and yes, the rumors are true. I did become the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world, and just to prove it to you and show you that I'm not lying, here is a look at my Clickbank account, right? So you can see each and every day I'm making thousands of dollars. Now, am I saying that you're gonna make thousands of dollars each and every day? No, but you probably will though if you register for my free training where I reveal my 3-step system for how to make money online with Clickbank offers, right? And this has been a game changer for me. I went from just being a struggling personal trainer a couple of years ago to now generating thousands of dollars, being able to travel the world. Like just recently I was in Brazil on vacation, and I was still making money each and every day. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then register for my free training by clicking that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the inside, because I know it's gonna make a huge impact in your life and in your bank account.
If you want to watch the free training, you will find the link below this video. Join Commission Hero today and get another $19,479 worth of bonuses for free. For affiliate marketing, I have always taught my students to use email lists as a way to generate profit. However, Commission Hero shows you exactly how to do it with no email list.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see you there guys. Hey, Robbie Blanchard here, and I was just spending some time on my Clickbank Platinum Award, and what that means is I made over $500,000 this year. In fact, I did way more than that. I made $1.8 million so far this year promoting other people's offers on Clickbank, and in fact, I'm the #1 affiliate in the entire world. And so what I do is, in the way that I've been able to be so successful, is I take other people's products that are high converting on Clickbank and I run Facebook ads to them, and that's how I make my money, and that's how I become the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world. And in fact, 4 short years ago, I didn't have an online business. I was just a personal trainer. And so what I've done is, after I became the #1 affiliate, I put together a brand new training because I want to help other people get there. In fact, it's my mission this year to help out over 2,000 people learn the same system that I'm using right now to generate big commissions online each and every day. And so I put this training together. It starts today, so make sure you register for the training above by clicking that link. And on this training, I'm gonna share with you a ton of stuff, right? I'm gonna share with you why I think this is the easiest and best way to make money online today. It's not a Shopify store, it's not e-commerce, you don't deal with inventory, you don't even need to have your own product. You just need to have a Clickbank account and a Facebook account. And the great thing about that too, guys, is you can do it anywhere in the world. So for example, I was just in Brazil recently on a trip for vacation, and I was able to continue to make money. I just need a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop and I'm good to go. And also the great thing about this program, guys, is you're able to have success even if you have no experience whatsoever. In fact, we have hundreds of students that are using this system each and every day that are making thousands of dollars each and every day. And they started out with literally no experience whatsoever. Some didn't even know how to run an ad when they first started, and now they're making money and they're having a lot of success and a lot of freedom. So if you're tired of working the 9 to 5, if you want to have freedom online, if you've been trying to do an online business but struggled and just haven't found that, that breakthrough, then this is going to be an awesome training for you. So go ahead, click that link above, register for my free training, and also at the end of the training, I'm going to share with you the exact ad that I'm using right now for the past 3 years. This made me over $1,000 per day, and I'm going to give that ad to you for free. So make sure you register for the free training, click that link above, and I'll see you on the inside.
This is awesome because students who are completely new to having an online business won't have to worry about growing an email list, writing emails, spam folders, or people unsubscribing from their list. It is 100% beginners friendly and is created by Robbie Blanchard, an ex-gym trainer who had absolutely no experience in affiliate marketing, just like you. If
3 $1,000 days in a row.
The support of Robbie and the team has been absolutely amazing.
It's been a big eye-opener for me.
I'm excited, and it's just going to keep getting better from here.
Thursday, $1,230. Friday, $1,170. Saturday, $1,080.
If you want to watch the free training, you will find the link below this video. Join Commission Hero today and get another $19,479 worth of bonuses for free. How does Commission Hero work? When you enroll in Commission Hero, you get complete access to the entire training system that shows the entire blueprint that Robbie used to turn from a nobody to now the #1 Clickbank affiliate using a simple 3-step system. And what makes Commission Hero different from other affiliate marketing strategies is that it is so much faster and easier for people to do, even if they have no previous experience. It cuts out all the guesswork and issues that you would have otherwise with affiliate marketing. There is no email list, no inventory, no website, no huge budget, no employees, no own products, no talking to customers. Now, here's how.
Hey, what's up guys, Robbie here, and guess what? Did you know that Clickbank is one of the best ways to generate reoccurring revenue each and every day online? It's not having a product, it's not having an email list, it's not having a Shopify store, it's running Clickbank offers. And I'm living proof of it. I went from being a struggling personal trainer just a couple of years ago where I couldn't even pay for my groceries to now I am the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world. As you can see, let me just log in and show you. Just log into my Clickbank account right now. All right, there you go right there, guys. So you can see that I am the #1 affiliate in the world. I generate a lot of money on Facebook, all right? And I wanna show and share with you exactly how I've done that. And so here's the way it works, guys. So register for my free training right now. It doesn't cost anything, it's a free training. And in that training, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I went from being a struggling personal trainer to now being the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world, and how you can do the same with this 3-step method. So go ahead and click that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the training.
The simple 3-step system works. Step number 1, find the best and highest paying offers on Clickbank to earn the most profit possible. Step number 2, use your Facebook account to run ads for other people's Clickbank products to earn 50 to 75% in commission. Most products have upsells, which can even boost your profit to $60 minus $140 per sale, and Facebook makes it easy to target the right people. Step number 3, use Robbie's psychological method of creating an open loop that can help get people to buy into your offer. People hate not knowing something, so an open loop creates curiosity and makes them want to find out more, so they click on the ad and get taken to a landing page. The big focus of Commission Hero is to not sell through your ads. Remember, your ad isn't doing the selling, your landing page is. You just need to get the click, and you do that by getting potential customers interested in your offering through your open loop. Robbie also shares with you his top secret strategy of making your landing page a simple quiz that people can take to continue the curiosity and get them into the offer. I even tried this for myself, and it's crazy how effective it is. And Commission Hero even provides you with done-for-you landing pages that you can use. But this is only just the basic level of everything you will learn from Commission Hero. You will deep dive into the simple 3 steps I briefly explained above and get everything you could possibly need to potentially succeed at this. Are you ready for your exclusive bonuses? If you want to watch the free training, you will find the link below this video. Join Commission Hero today and get another $19,479 worth of bonuses for free. If you are still on the fence about if Commission Hero is for you, my team and I have even thrown in our exclusive bonuses to help ensure your success as an affiliate marketer. We want you to have a competitive advantage over anyone else in the affiliate marketing space, and we've designed these bonuses to do so. If you enroll in Commission Hero through our link, you also get all the extra bonuses below that you can't get anywhere else. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our future videos. Once again, thank you for watching. Stay well and enjoy life.